No, I can't believe it. I have to share this.
Wow, so many likes. What have you shared?
Look at this. It's so cool. I'll share it as well.
Groundbreaking, eating 1 kilo of chocolate a day boosts your memory? Where did you see that?
A friend from school has shared it with me. Not sure where she has seen it.
Did you double-check this information before sharing it?
What do you mean?
On the internet and social media, there are lots of news stories that are not real, and they are called fake news. Sometimes they are posted just to make people laugh, other times to get more likes or harm someone or something.
Come on. At the end of the day, it's just a post on social media. Look at all these likes.
But it's a lie. It's only chocolate we're talking about, but next time it could be you. Think about it. Always remember that. Virtual is real.
But I've only shared it online.
I know, but it's important to be able to spot fake news, especially before sharing it online.
Huwag mo namang gawin yan na may maaapakan ka ng tao. Yun ang punto ko dito. Naiintindihan nyo? If you want to live your life and you want money, salary, views, content, okay yan. Pero huwag tayong aapak doon sa maling-mali na. Inapakan nila, in a sense, kahit mali, sasalsalin nila, kukulayan nila. Kaya nga, there's such thing as malicious. That's wrong. Why? Kasi yung mga lihiti mo, nasisira rin. Nadadamay kami sa inyo. Kaya tuloy, ang tingin sa atin, instead na ang tingin sa atin, legit opposition, hindi, ang tingin sa atin, chismosa lang. That's why I am against fake news. Nasisira ang vlogging because of these people.